Welcome back, and in the previous video I have discussed regarding the inverse of a matrix formula, and shortly we'll be discussing the formula also. But right now let's be perfect in the how to find the cofactor, the symbol given for the cofactor. So you have to remember Aij stands for cofactor of an element, and there is a certain rule to calculate cofactor which depends upon minor. And these two examples, these two terms, we had discussed it on 2 cross 2 matrix as well as 3 cross 3 matrix. In detail we had done it. Now let's practice it in short how best we can straight away move for the cofactor. Now before I go for the cofactor, two important note we have on this cofactor. Something special, the magic will be done with this cofactor. So the first note, see, already we have discussed regarding determinant value. So regarding determinant value, a very important note, see, whenever the sum of the product, the elements and the corresponding cofactor, this means cofactor, E elementina cofactor, E elementina adrade cofactor jothe multiply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ, and then if I'll sum it up, it is actually we are finding out determinant value. Got it? So that means determinant value is equal to, it is sum of the product of elements of any row, or even you can go for column, okay, with their corresponding cofactors. So provided, if I'll go for an example, shortly I'll go for it. See, this is a matrix given. So 2 in a cofactor tagadu, our cofactor is the multiply madi, minus 3, let's find out the cofactor, which I'll multiply with this minus 3 only, and 5 I'll multiply with its cofactor. If I'll sum it up, which already people know how to expand by taking plus, minus, plus, and that's why I asked you to go for take minus sign here, because I was interested in the cofactor. Whereas in the first part, in the first video, I gave you it as rule, I have mentioned it. So it is as good as you people are expanding it using this note only. So note says here, it's not compulsory it should be done only the first row, which already we have practiced. It may go for any of the row, or even I can go for column also. But the sign, plus sign, minus sign has to be balanced, which speaks about the cofactor existence. Okay, so shortly I'll prove it once again. So I have taken here A11, it implies here first row. First row, first column, it is first row, second column, first row, third column. Overall, I should say all the first row elements have been taken. Okay, and those elements have been multiplied with their corresponding cofactors. Sum it up, we have determinant value. So this stands for second row, first column. You can imagine. Second row, second column. It is second row, third column. That means second row elements have been multiplied with their corresponding. This number same irbeku nodi. This number same irbeku. Adade cofactor is multiply madide anta indication adu. And third row also I had taken here column wise. First column. All the elements I had taken for first column. You can make a note. First row, first column. It is second row, first column. It is third row, first column. So all the first column I have taken here. So or option. So that means this note will give you an idea. The determinant value can be calculated not only by expanding first row, even you can go for second row, you can go for third row, you can go for first column also. But normally this is the best practice what we had done it already. So the question is asked, evaluate. This is the best way to find determinant value. Now I think henceforth even you can take this as definition also. What do we mean by determinant value? Definition can be also given as determinant value of a square matrix is the sum of the product of elements of any row or column with their corresponding cofactors. Anta kuda definition helbodu. But normally we find that every square matrix will be associated with a unique number. So we make use of the word called function. A function, determinant is a function which associates, which drags every square matrix to a unique number, which already I discussed in my first video also. Now, one more note here. See, here I have mentioned every element with its corresponding cofactor. Sorry. What will happen if I'll go for every element with the cofactor of any other row or any other column? Can you guess? This is the second note which will give you an idea. Here it says if the elements of a row or column are multiplied with the cofactors of any other row, not the corresponding, any other row or the column, okay, then their sum is going to be 0. So you can make a note here. A11,ille 11 illa nodi. But this is cofactor of second row, first column. This is A12. Already idu 1, 2 illa nodi. This is second row, second column. That means second row. This is first row, third column element, which is multiplied with cofactor of second row, third column. Then such type of expression will give us the value 0. So one more option I given here. First row has been multiplied with the cofactors of third row. Then you find the answer is 0. So two important things to remember regarding cofactor. So let me go for an example and say the same here. If the matrix is given and if we are verifying something special magic which is going to happen in the cofactor, that is, first find out the cofactors of all the elements, which shortly I'll do it in shortcut way. In the previous video, I gave the chart of minor, then I described what should be done for the cofactor. Now let's move on straight away how to go for the cofactor. So this should be the shortcut way, or this is the best way to practice just to save your time. And this method I'm highlighting here because this will be once again highlighted in solving of the linear equation. That is the last exercise of this chapter 4.6, where 5 marks question will be discussed. So let's go for this method also. And after finding out the cofactor, let me come back with the note number 1, how to find determinant value. Note number 2, which speaks about something special, 0. But these two notes can be discussed only based on cofactor. So to begin with the cofactors here, see, first prepare a chart like this, where I should say first row, first column, first row, second column, first row, third column, second row, first column, second row, second, A23, A31, A32, A33. Got it? Now, as I mentioned earlier also, these 4 elements, Shankar-Pale rule, only these 4 elements, cofactor will differ the sign as compared to the minor. So you have to say it minus of, minus of, minus of, and it's minus of. These 4 elements. Only the sign makes a difference. Got it? Shankar-Pale rule. Now keep it ready. Now move for the finding out the minor, or even I can say cofactor. So A11 antannaga corresponding column and row you are going to close it. List out the elements, or just observe the 4 elements which you find it here. And again a 2 cross 2 determinant, plus sign, minus sign. Say the product is 0, 0, minus, it is 5 4s, I should say it is 20. So I can say it is cofactor is minus 20. So to begin with here, first row, second column, I should say here, close it, close it. Okay, you can just imagine, close it. I find the elements left out, 4 elements which are left out here. So I should say the product, keep it as it is, minus has to be taken because it's cofactor rule. So multiply these two, I find minus 42, and actual product is plus 4, sign change, say it is minus 4. So overall I should say the simplification is 46, isn't it? But minus outside. So let's balance it and be careful about the calculation part. It is plus 46. Now first row, third column, close it, close it. The product I should say it is 30 minus 0. So we have 30. Itself should be called as A13 cofactor. So to begin with A21, corresponding column, row, close it. Imagine properly, we have minus into minus plus, 7 3s are, I should say 21. Okay, this product is actually 25, sign change, minus 25. So we're left out with the difference is actually minus 4, but sign change here, minus is to be applied here. So I should say it is plus 4. So to begin with, A22, close it. I find the relation, I should say minus 14. It is plus 5, sign change, minus 5. So we have minus 19 as a cofactor for second row, second column. A23, for this reference, close it. I should say it is 5 2s are, isn't it? It is 10. Okay, I was here. Close it. 5 2s are 10. It is actually minus 3. Sign change, say plus 3. So we are left out with actually the simplification as plus 13. But sign, because cofactor sign says it is minus 13. Whereas plus 13 is minor. Minus 13 is cofactor. But we are neglecting minor here. Straight away we are speaking about cofactor only, which somehow includes minor also. Now to begin with here, A31, third row, first column, close it accordingly. You have to imagine the 4 elements. So you have the product, I should say it is minus 12 and this is minus 0. So we are left out with, it is minus 12. Should be called as cofactor. Followed by, I should say A32, close it. I should say it is 8 here, minus 30. So the difference, okay, but the overall, I should say plus sign should be taken here. The difference, I should say it is 22, minus balanced. 3, I should say close it. We are left with 0. It is plus 18. So I should say it is plus 18 will be called as cofactor. So these are various cofactor. Okay, this is how you will be calculating it. In short, you need not to write minor one side, then followed by the cofactor. You can just save your time by speaking about straight away the cofactor. This is one option, or one more option I can say here. If you're perfect in the previous, that method which already I discussed in previous video, if you're comfortable, just go ahead with that also. Okay. Now to begin with note number 1, let's have a discussion. See what happens if I'll multiply the first row with the first row cofactors only. Nodi, ee row ina cofactors ivu tane. If I'll go for 2 into minus 20, 2 into minus 20. If I'll go for minus 3 into 46. And if I'll go for 5 into, I should say 30. You can make a calculation here. We'll get some value that is minus 28. It is as good as you people are expanding it using first row, which in the first video also we discussed determinant value only. Okay. If I'll multiply the second row with second row cofactors, 6 into 4, 0 into minus 19, it is plus 4 into minus 13, I get once again minus 28, and this minus 28 itself is determinant value of A. From third row also can verify 1, 5, minus 7 multiplied with their cofactors, 5 into 22, okay, minus 7 into, I should say it is 18, again I get minus 28. Here I have taken for column wise 2 first column and the factors, cofactors available. So 2 into minus 20, 6 into 4, okay. So I should say 1 into, it is 18, sorry, 1 into minus 12. So we are left with minus 28. So determinant value is unique, and any row, first row or second row or third row, first column, second column, any row or column, you can use it for the expansion. But remember the rule for expansion, first row ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ say plus, minus, plus. Second row ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ be careful now, it is minus, plus, minus, because of cofactor symbol. Then followed by, I should say this is plus, minus, plus. So column wise, if you want to say plus, minus, plus, second column minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus. So ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ರೋ ನ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಆದಷ್ಟು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರೋ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So but still you need to remember, because this property gives you an idea that any row or any column can be used for the expansion of determinant. Got it? Now note number 2. What it says, in note number 2 it says that if any element is multiplied with the cofactor of other row. So I should say first row I had taken here. Nodi first row 2 manasi 5 ಇದೆ. But second row cofactor ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 4. So I have multiplied 2 into 4. So you can see 2 into 4. So I should say it's minus 3 into minus 19. 5 into, I should say it's minus 13. And you go for simplification, you find the value to be 0. Similarly, I have taken here first row with the third row as cofactor. First row with the third row. 2 into minus 12, minus 3 into 22, 5 into, I should say it is 18. Okay, again the answer is 0. Okay, here I have verified it for the column if I am correct. Yeah, that's right. First column, I have taken the cofactors of second column. 2 into E element na E cofactors multiply ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ನೋಡಿ. 2 into 46, 6 into minus 19, it's 1 into 22, and I find the result to be 0. This is note number 2. So just to make you understand, otherwise these two properties or these two notes will not be asked in exam. But remember, a very special property we have for cofactor. Cofactors, if they are multiplied with their respective or the corresponding elements only, and if the summation is taken as determinant value, that itself can be taken as a definition, whereas the corresponding other row if it is taken or column wise if it is balanced, the whole summation will give you answer 0. So that means based on the property 1 or note number 1, the question can be asked. Of course, not so important, but still you need to remember. See, if A is a matrix, then find determinant value of A and thus take care. You can go for first row, as we already discussed. But they can ask you using third row also. They can ask you from first column also. So if they asked with particular column or particular row, then you have to proceed accordingly. So I went for indeterminate value here. For the first column, I had tried here. So first column, you have to make a sign here, plus, minus, plus. Plus 5. Close it. Close it. It is 0, minus 2. Minus 2. Close it. Close it. We have 9, minus 16. Plus 1. Close it. 3. It is minus 0. So we are left out with simplification 7 is a determinant value using first column. Third row. Fix your mind. Third row. Sign barutte nodi. Plus, minus, plus. Shankar Pade rule prakara you matra minus togolutte. So left out plus. Andre plus, minus, plus. So third row I taken here. First one capitalities, close it. I find 3 minus 0. Minus 2. Close it. 5 minus 16. Plus 3. Close it. It is 0 minus 6. Expand it, simplification according to Bodemo's rule properly, and we get the value as 7. Okay, just for one more question, simplification I done it. Extra I done it here. It's not given the question, but just I went for one more second column also. Second column, this should be second column. Minus, plus, minus. Let's verify it. Minus 3. Close it. Close it. 3 to the 6 minus 1. Plus 0, and it will not make much difference for us. So I just kept the bracket empty. Minus 2. Close it. Close it. You find 5 minus 16. Simplified, you find a determinant value is 7 irrespective of first row, first column, second row, second column. Okay, that means note number 1 speaks about the same. So that plays a very important role regarding the cofactor. Okay, so be careful as in how the question is asked, you have to frame your answer accordingly. Got it? So I think note number 1 is clear, note number 2 is clear. Now, okay, one more example for 2 cross 2 I have taken here using first row. First row I have done it here. It is first row plus, minus sign. So product to be taken accordingly, we have actually 10. Minus of minus, I should say it is plus 12, 22, it is plus 2. Second row, here I should say minus, I should write here plus, minus capitalities, but minus of the product should give us plus 12, which I have taken here, and it is 5 2s are plus 10. So we are left with 22 as determinant value. So first column plus and minus. Second column minus and plus. You can have a glance. That is symbol. Be careful about the sign. The answer will not differ. But only thing, the cofactor note has been discussed here. I think now you people are eligible to go for exercise 4.4. So 4.4, as I mentioned earlier also, hardly we can expect any direct question on this exercise 4.4. Okay, 4.4, but still you need to practice it here. So first question they say here, write the minor and cofactors of the elements of the following determinant. So for this matrix, for this determinant, we have to find out the minor as well as cofactor both. So to find out the minor, you have to just go for, you have to make a chart like this. Because they ask you to find a minor, it's better you go for it. Straight if the question is asked for cofactor, you can earlier, just now example what I given, straight you can go for the cofactor also. So to begin with here, minor, the rule says for M11, this element, close it, 3. M12, this element, close it, we have 0. M21, for this element, close it, I should say it is minus 4. So we have M22. So for this, I should say, okay, this element, close it, we find 2. So here this is minus 4. Yeah. So for M11, minor will remain same only, 1 plus 1 even, not difference. But for this, it is 0, ultimately it is 0. For this, it is minus of minus 4, we find plus 4. For this, I should say it is 2. So these are the respective minor and cofactor for first question. Second question, once again, you can have a glance. Okay, please work it out. For this, I should say it is D. For this, I should say it is B. For 2, 1, I should say it is C, and this is A. So they will remain same only. I should say it is D. I should say it is minus B. I should say it is minus C. I should say it is plus A. Whereas for 3 cross 3 order, we know it very well. How we list out the minor? Close it, it is 1, minus 0, 1. M12, close it, we find 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, we have 0. 1, 3, close it, it is 0 minus 0, 0 minus 0, we find 0. M21, close, 0 minus 0. Okay, you can practice it. Now, madubeka easy answer, but unless until you will not practice, you will not get a grip of solving. You will not be confident of solving. So, write down, okay, and practice it. So, 2, 3, close, I should say it is 0, minus 0. Okay, thank God all elements are 0 here. But if you will get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then definitely the calculation will be one more step. 3, 1. So, you have to imagine 0 minus 0, 0. 3, 2, close, I find 0 once again. 3, 3, close it, I find 1. Now these 4 elements makes a difference. Shankarpalya rule, as I mentioned, accordingly I taken the sign. So plus 1, it is plus 1. 0 will not make difference, 0 only. So M13 it is 0. M21 it is 0. M22 it is plus 1. M23 it is 0. M31 it is 0. This is 0. This is 1. So these are respective minor and cofactor. This is how you're going to list out. Okay. Similarly, I think one more example we have here in your text. Fourth example, which you need to solve. Find out the minor and cofactor. Homework for you. Now one more question. Using cofactor of the element second row, evaluate. That means you have to find a determinant value using second row. Second row the elements agatu nodi. Minus, plus and minus. Then go for expansion. This using third column you have to expand. And you have to evaluate. Find the determinant value. Now just read the question here. What to say? If this is the determinant value given and if this stands for the cofactors of the various elements, ith row and jth column, then the value of determinant value is given by. We know it very well. Determinant value is always calculated by, provided if the elements are multiplied with the cofactors of the same element. So, hagidre illi nodi same irbeku. A11 ide, 31 ide. So, these are not multiplied with their corresponding cofactors only. So, this can't be the option. A11 and I should say it is A11. A12, but here you don't find A12. So this is multiplied, but this is not the case. And for such thing, we don't have any special note only. So this option is also fails. Now what about this option fails? What about this? We find 1, 1. I find 2, 1, 2, 1. I find 3, 1, 3, 1. Indicates that every element is multiplied with the cofactors, with the corresponding cofactor. This will speak about determinant value. So option D is correct. Got it? Yeah. So in next video, let me continue with the next topic. What do you mean by adjoint and what do you mean by inverse of a matrix? So inverse of a matrix already people have come across in the previous chapter, matrix chapter only, where you say inverse of a matrix by elementary operations antane madide nodi. I hope you remember the steps already taken there. So same answer barta ide, but our elementary operations we are not performing here. We are straight away speaking about a formula to find. We are getting the formula to find inverse of a matrix, which depends upon one more term called adjoint. So adjoint, I think next video let me discuss the definition of adjoint of a matrix, which says that it is a transpose of a cofactor matrix. In the next video, let me continue with the adjoint of a matrix. Whereas right now 4.4 you have to solve it and be perfect in finding out the minor. More than this, I should highlight cofactor concept. Okay, so you have to be perfect in finding out the cofactor, and special 2 notes you have to remember regarding the cofactor. Note number 1, how to find determinant value using first row, second row, third row, or first column, second column and third column. And one more note, some